Guys, in this video we will going to discussing about roast chicken with apricot glaze recipe. Easiest way to dress up roast chicken glaze with apricot preservation. Roast chicken with apricot glaze. You know the easiest way to make a simple roast chicken, something worthy of fancy dinner party. Glaze it in the last few minutes of roasting a little metal apricot preserve. It will make you look like a master chef. It's an old trick but a good one. In this recipe we are taking it even further with the Middle East inspired inspired cumin cinnamon rub. We love these flavors in our slow cooker chicken rice Kessler recipe, and they work beautifully with the apricot glaze. If you want to take full advantage of the flavor that the cumin cinnamon can provide as soon as you get home from the market with your chicken. Take it out of its wrap and coat it all over with the rub. Then return it to your fridge and until an hour or two before you are ready to cook it. Now this is the final recipe: roast chicken with apricot glaze. Preparation time 10 minutes, cooking time 16 minutes, marinate in rub 60 minutes, and total time 2 hours and 10 minutes it takes. Servings: 4 servings. We are using a whole chicken for this recipe. You can use parts if you want. Born in the skin one. Follow the instruction of our basic baked chicken for the roasting part. Glaze with apricot preserve the last 5 to 10 minutes of cooking. Now we are talking about its ingredients. Rub 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 1 over 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, and 1 over 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Now come to the chicken. 4 pound 1.8 kg of whole chicken, and the number second is 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Now come to the apricot glaze. 1 over 3 cup 80 milliliter apricot preserves it takes. Create a list, make a list for the store or order online. Come to the method. Rub chicken with spices and let sit. Whisk together the cumin, cinnamon, and salt in a small bowl. Rub the spices all over the chicken, loosely cover, and let sit at least 1 hour, or preferably refrigerate overnight. In either case, allow chicken to sit at room temperature for at least 1 hour, preferably 2 before cooking. And wait until you get these type of the results over here. Now rub chicken with olive oil and roast it. Preheat over to 375 Fahrenheit. Place the chicken in a roasting pan, breast it side up. Rub olive oil all over the chicken, and place it in the middle rack of the oven and cook for 50 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit scale. Chicken threads reach 165 until and then move it on. Heat apricot preserves. That's the number 3 point. While the chicken is roasting, heat the apricot preserves in a small saucepan and microwave until warm it and rain. You can see these type of the results over here. On number 4, baste chicken with the apricot preserves. Remove chicken from oven and baste the exposed surface of the chicken all over with the apricot preserves using a basting brush. Number 5, increase the oven temp and return chicken to the oven. Increase the oven temperature to 400 Fahrenheit scale and return the chicken to oven and bake for additional 8 to 10 minutes, basting the chicken again with the glaze halfway throughout until the glaze is bubbly and beginning to brown. Now that's the number 6 and last one. Let chicken rest. Remove from oven and let rest for 15 minutes before serving. So that's the final shape you have got in this recipe. This is the final shape.